Our body mechanism depends on our immunity, which protects us from disease-causing germs. We must know what are the things that affect and what are the things that improve our immune system. In these corona times, we must be even more careful to prevent and fight against it. First, let's know the signs of weak immune system. Feeling tired all the time, stress, fear and high anxiety, frequent infections and cold every now and then, skin issues, hair damage, more digestion problems such as diarrhea. Your body responds to everything you consume. So let's know about immune boosters. Turmeric, which is available in our Indian household, has lots of medical properties. You can have a spoon of turmeric in a glass of hot or cold milk, or you can make a drink by adding mint leaves, boiling water, honey and tulasi to fight microbes. Papaya, it's rich in vitamin C, B, A, potassium, folate and antioxidants, making it an immune booster. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, cashews are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and zinc. Green tea. It has powerful antioxidants and great medical properties. Garlic. It has huge amounts of calcium, potassium, sulfuric compounds which wipe out bacteria. It is used to treat low BP, cholesterol and even common cold and flu. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like orange, lemon, mosambi are rich in vitamin C, which is not produced in our body. Other vitamin C foods are amla, tomato and guava. Red capsicum. It has double amount of vitamin C than citrus fruits. The beta-carotene present in it is useful in treating cancer and eye issues. Ginger. This age-old food is used to treat sore throat, flu, cold and joint pains. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach offer numerous health benefits, including reduced risk of obesity, heart disease and hypertension. Apples. Apples contain vitamin A, B1, B2, E and C. The soluble fiber present in it helps us recover faster from infections. Seafood and meat. The omega-3 fatty acids present in seafood enhances the activity of white blood cells. Protein found in meat strengthens the immune system. Do's and don'ts. Hydrate yourself regularly. Maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Avoid alcohol. Stop smoking. Start yoga and meditation. Get enough sleep. Avoid increased cravings of refined sugar. Get vitamin D from sunlight in the early morning and evening. Exercise regularly. Both lack of exercise and excessive exercise have bad impact on immunity. Stop excessive consumption of caffeine-containing food. Say no to junk food. Try to minimize stress, fear, anxiety and depression. If you can manage these factors and find happiness, then you can find great improvement in your immunity. At any point of our life, building immunity is essential to have a better tomorrow. If this video is helpful, show me your support by giving a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.